How you doing?
Ah, nice. And you? All good?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing in this day? In those days?
It's the same shit, different day, bro.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
I'm
nothing.
recording.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, I want to participate in your
In my
YouTube channel.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. I have a lot of stories.
Yeah.
Actually.
이 사내는 내가 호주 와서 사귄 가장 친한 친구인 로마리오다. 전 직장 동료였으며 현재는 쉬는 날이 겹쳐 쉬는 날마다 보고 있다. 거의 일주일에 두세 번은 보니까 얘를 만날 시간에 여자를 만났으면 벌써 여자친구 한 명은 사귀었겠다. 다시 생각해보니 그거랑 별 상관없는 것 같다. 여튼 이 친구에 대해 다시 한번 말하자면 복싱 선수 출신이며 강하고 유쾌한 멘탈의 소유자이며 사랑에는 약한 이탈리아인이라고 할 수 있겠다.
But
You got a swimsuit?
yeah, I have everything.
Cool.
Yes, yeah. Yeah. And what am I thinking? Yeah, and about tonight, you have a plan or? Because tonight I want to go in some club. In Butterfly, it's free. If we go in there before 9 o'clock.
오늘도 클럽에 가잔다.
If you want to join.
I'll tell you later.
Yeah,
I'm not
right.
sure because I've still got something to do, you know, like
Yeah,
add
right.
YouTube. I haven't made any of YouTube yet,
Ah, yeah, right.
so I only added that caption for my previous video that I
핑계다.
Ah, cool. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no worries.
What
Yeah,
is
surfing. You never try surfing?
No, I've never tried it before.
Yeah, we can try one lesson if you want.
Yeah,
in this
I
hostel,
want.
organize the lessons. This hostel have a surfer teacher.
Yeah.
You don't pay too much.
로마리오와 나는
You rent,
발리 여행을 기획하고 있다.
you go
두
free. It's
달째
like in
비행기
Portugal
표값만 보고
when
있다.
I was in Portugal too. So, but it's so funny, really funny. Yeah. Anyway, tomorrow for the Korean barbecue, I think come with us the owner of my house.
Yeah.
He's a young guy. He's really nice. He's from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
He's a really nice person. Yeah.
It's better than just
Yeah.
staying on mine site or caravan park.
Yeah, in the
you know.
I have some news, bro. I tell you some news. For example, what happened in Westcourt?
Did they fight?
No, not fight, but I have.
우리 둘이 만나면 주로 전 직장 얘기를 한다. 물론 거의 뒷담만 간다.
I work better than they.
Yeah.
I fucking broken my back every fucking day. I don't eat just for.
난 그냥 얘가 회사 얘기를 하면 너무 웃기다.
Fucking shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And they're, in my opinion, are really jealous now, and I don't like how they speak with me. You know, they speak with me now, not do that, not that, not that.
How long have you worked there?
How long I'm here now?
Yeah.
This is my sixth drinks. Fucking hell.
It's around 5 months.
참고로 이 회사는 채용 공고가 2주마다 한 번씩 올라온다.
And he find for him a job in the mining, like a trade assistant. And
trade
he
assistant,
had
yeah, that's easy.
$50 per hour.
$50.
Yeah, fuck me. And he had just a.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me in.
Sorry?
Let me in, please.
Yeah, but you just bring your resume in this agency. I told you the name of the agency now is.
Do I need to go there in person or can I just
in my
apply
opinion,
for it online?
is better in person. In my opinion.
Tech Force.
For example, not only Tech Force. Just a second. Where the fuck is that?
What are you doing? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
for example, Tech Force, Sodexo.
Yeah, Sodexo is utility, you know.
ESS. I don't know, but
ESS
you work
utility.
with Tech Force.
Yeah, Tech Force is for trade assistant or drill subside or something like that. But Sodexo and ESS is utility, like
for utility.
hospitality job,
Yeah, right.
like kitchen hand or housekeeping.
I don't want to clean the bathroom.
You don't want.
Nah. Yeah.
미안하다. 이거 보여주려고 어그로 끌었다. 사실 서호주 최초의 감옥 프리맨틀 프리즌에 관광하러 왔다.
Me and Django, we go in a fucking prison
Yeah, we are traveling.
because we are really bad boy.
Bad boy.
Django is really bad boy.
Hello. How are you?
You guys here for a tour or just looking around?
We're gonna
This
have a
area here
tour.
is free.
Yeah.
Before the Black Gate,
Yeah.
you've got some galleries on
Yeah.
the right.
Oh.
You've got a cafe here. You got a gift shop straight ahead. You need the toilets all the way on the right.
Yeah.
You're going to go inside like those guys over there. You can hop on one of these tours. And the next one actually goes out at 12:30. Yes, the red one,
12:30.
Yeah, behind bars.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, it will take time. Oh, we should have, we should have paid for it and one and a half. I mean, one half maybe. But should be right. Yeah. Next tour will be, 12:30.
30. Oh,
Yeah,
fuck,
so-
we-
We can have a look around.
or go inside because it's in a group.
Yeah. It's group tour.
Well, how is it? $22? $22?
Yeah, $22 per each.
Maybe. I try to. Right.
What's wrong?
Don't. Come on. Where is it? Here. Yeah.
The other way, maybe.
Oh yeah.
No. This.
Try to swipe.
Yeah. Like other way.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Like this? Yeah.
Maybe that's upside down.
Maybe it's the other way.
Like this.
우리 제법 바보 멍청이 같았다.
Oh. Monopole. Behind bars tour. What comes to your mind when you think of Fremantle?
I don't know. I think look like some European.
European.
Yeah, some European.
Something European.
But I think Fremantle was built from Italians. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. At the first time I told you about that, Fremantles, come from European, especially Italian.
Yeah.
Like
실제로
how they,
퍼스를 돌아보면
build
프리맨틀만 유독 다른 분위기와
building,
풍경을
how they
연출한다.
make building.
꼭 와보길 바란다.
Take a photo.
Prison. Welcome to Fremantle Prison.
Cool.
기가 차나 보다.
Okay, welcome folks to the parade ground. Now, how many of you have actually been here before?